Hi everyone, Jessica Ridella and Kevin Kelly here with Bitcoin Market Journal. We are two of the ICO analysts, and today we are going to be reviewing Rubiix ICO. Just a disclaimer, we are independent and ad-free and just here to give you our personal opinions and the inside scoop. So, Rubiix ICO, this is a really cool project. Essentially, they want to create a platform where users can share their personal experience with brands and actually get a portion of the advertising revenue from the brand. So as we frequently discuss, data is one of our most valuable assets, but more often than not, consumers don't really have control over their own information. So Rubiix really wants to reverse this by building an ecosystem for brands and consumers where consumers can actually provide anonymously their personal financial data, and brands will get that and properly target their advertisements to the consumers based on that data. So this is a unique concept. Brands will be getting valuable data. Consumers will get a share of that ad revenue. But what's unique is that while there are competitors doing similar things, Rubiix is really focused exclusively on consumer financial data from credit card transactions. So this was something that they based on their knowledge of the field. Kevin will get more into their team, but they've got a lot of experience and prior insight onto how this market works. They also have a working product, active community of users, and a great founding team. So Kevin, why don't you get into that a little more?
Yeah, so the CEO, kind of hard to pronounce his name, but first name Oren, he founded a previous company called Skindo, which was a digital media company that he eventually sold off. Now he's onto the ICO and blockchain track. What's really impressive is that Rubiix has a lot of blockchain and IT experience on their team, which is something that we really like to see because a lot of the teams will go into these projects or these startups and have maybe one or two members that kind of know about blockchain or software developers or maybe one advisor. But I'd say almost 30% of the team is dedicated to the blockchain architecture and how they're going to implement it, which is great to see. When you look at the token itself, it's pretty interesting. So it's basically a collateral-based token. So the more that you have of it, the more rewards and the more the more you can earn. Right? So if you're giving our information anonymously, you'll be rewarded based on the amount of tokens you actually hold. So this creates like a unique incentive on both sides because the advertisers and the people who are collecting this financial data have to pay in tokens in order to get it off of the platform. And then users also want to hold tokens themselves so they can get rewarded on a higher level when they give up their data. So it's creating this end for this token, which could really lead it to be pretty valuable in the future. And they've had a beta running for a couple months now, which hit its immediate hard cap of 10,000 users. It was US only. They're planning on launching the global version soon. So we'll see what happens with that. But overall, looking pretty good. It seems like they're definitely on the right track.
Definitely, and they also have some really notable advisors, including one of the vice presidents of IBM Digital, partners with Amazon, Chase, Microsoft, PayPal. So that's really good. They're bolstering their network there. So like Kevin said, overall, we are really impressed with this project. We think that they're going to successfully help brands and consumers thrive in an ecosystem where data is reliable, activity is verifiable, and the good actors are actually rewarded. So thank you for watching. Tune in with us next time, and we'll see you soon.